If you have difficulty sleeping, or you're constantly on the go and need something to help block out noise so you can rest on the move, then the Fitnexa SomniPods 3, which I've got right here, might be a good choice for you. These SomniPods 3 from Fitnexa, these are a new take on noise-canceling headphones. They're primarily designed and specifically designed and engineered to help you get a better night's sleep, and they do that in a couple of pretty unique ways. The first way is how they actually fit and secure in your ear to ensure that they stay in and don't fall out. It's a little bit different than what you're probably used to with traditional in-ear earbuds. They're inserted into your ear, and they're actually twisted and locked into your ear canal to ensure a perfect fit. And these SomniPods 3 that I have include a bunch of different ear tips to ensure the perfect fit for anybody out there wearing them. And the second way is the driver inside of the SomniPods 3. They're specifically tailored for active noise cancellation, and they do a phenomenal job of it. Before I tell you my experience of using the SomniPods 3 over the past few weeks, let me first show you what comes in the box. So the first thing you see when unboxing these earbuds is, of course, the SomniPods 3 case. In the top of the box is an accessory container, which, as I mentioned, includes all of those different ear tips for a perfect fit for anybody wearing them. Carrying case for the SomniPods 3 itself comes in this nice beige finish called Sandy Dusk. Pretty neutral, no issues with the design of it at all. It has USB-C for charging on the back, which is excellent. And the SomniPods earbuds themselves magnetically secure and charge inside the case when not in use. In the bottom is all the documentation and ear tip cleaner, so you can keep your earbuds clean after extended periods of use, all the steps on how to wear them, how to use them, and a USB-C charging cable. I wish this was a USB-C to USB-C cable. It is that old style USB on the one side, but it does get the job done, and charging on the SomniPods 3 is remarkably quick. And the case can even wirelessly charge if you have a MagSafe charger kicking around your house. Very clutch feature. Now, as I said before, I've been using the SomniPods 3 for the past 2.5, almost 3 weeks now, and overall, I've really enjoyed my experience using them. Generally, day to day, I don't have much difficulty sleeping. I, myself, am the snorer in our household, but recently I traveled to downtown Toronto for the 2026 Canadian International Auto Show. My hotel was a little bit older, and I was facing right out onto a busy Toronto street. And the SomniPods 3 did an excellent job of blocking out all of the internal noise in the hotel, as well as any coming in from outside, and the noisy air conditioner that kept coming on throughout the night. I almost always sleep on my side. It's the most comfortable position for me, and the SomniPods 3 earbuds stayed in place all night long without any issue. With any other pair of earbuds, this definitely would not be the case, because as soon as I lean on anything with a stem, it tends to pop right out of my ear canal, and that unique twist and lock way of securing them in your ear just worked perfectly for me. And it's that twist and lock physical seal that enables not just the active noise cancellation features of the SomniPods 3, but the physical noise cancellation as well. A combination of software, driver capability, and hardware working together. That way you can also pair these to your Android or iOS device and just use them as a set of Bluetooth headphones. Of course, that's not what they're really designed for. The true capability of the Fitnexa SomniPods 3 is unlocked by pairing with the Fitnexa app. And the feature that I've used the most regularly is the sleep library. In the sleep library, there are a ton, and I mean literally a ton of different sounds, white noise effectively, that you can choose from to fall asleep to through your SomniPods 3. They've got everything from the ocean to pure white noise, even things like animals, like cows mooing, whatever you need to help you relax and fall asleep, get a better night's sleep. There is something here to choose from. And don't worry, you don't necessarily need to have this sound playing all night. There are 3 different modes in the app. So there's the normal mode, a sleep mode, and an auto sleep detect mode. So you can have that sound play all night long, or you can have it cut off shortly after you've fallen asleep. So A, you're not draining the battery, and B, you're not playing that sound 24/7. But again, as I mentioned, in my experience, battery life has been really, really solid. Not saying it's healthy, not saying you should do this either, but I typically only get about 6.5 to 7 hours of sleep throughout the work week. I have consistently had no issues getting through a full night with white noise, background noise playing throughout the entire night through my SomniPods 3. They're rated for about 10 hours of playback. Typically when I wake up, I've got 2.5-ish hours left. So that checks out for me. And through the case, which charges in only like 30 to 40 minutes, you can extend and get several nights more of consistent playback. And of course, there's also ANC in the app that you can enable, which really, really, truly does a phenomenal job of blocking out background noise. It's very powerful, and again, the combination of active and physical noise cancellation combined with that ANC function blocks out pretty much everything you need. This would absolutely be a killer feature to use on a long train commute or on a flight where you've got all sorts of background noise. You could cut right through it completely with these earbuds. But the Fitnexa app and the SomniPods 3 combination doesn't end just at playback of sound and audio throughout the night. There's also a full suite of other capabilities within the app that you can take advantage of for a full holistic life cycle of tracking capability and to give you a better picture of your overall health, not just how you're sleeping. It also can track nutrition, hydration. It can do meal planning. It can track exercise, heart rate, all sorts of stuff. And Fitnexa's app has an AI-powered coaching assistant, which you can opt into as well to give you even more guidance and assistance on your health and wellness journey. Very, very powerful. And honestly, even after my 2+ weeks of testing, I'm just scratching the surface of what this app and hardware can really do. There's a lot of detail here. I'm a sucker for health and wellness technology, so I really, really like this software setup and what it can unlock and do for you. Now, like I alluded to, you can pair these and use these as standard Bluetooth earbuds, but they're not really designed for that, as I said. And truthfully, at least in my experience, the audio playback is pretty flat. And while you do get very clear playback because it blocks everything out, overall audio quality is just okay. Not very bassy, not going to blow you away, and it's not going to surpass something like a dedicated music-focused pair of earbuds, but the sounds coming through the sleep library in the app in these earbuds is exceptionally clear. It's tailored and set up for that playback. Absolutely no complaints there. So overall then, what do I think of the Fitnexa SomniPods 3? Well, like I said, in terms of blocking out noise, they do a phenomenal job. They're also exceptionally small, exceptionally light, and they do a fantastic job of staying in your ears even when traditional earbuds maybe wouldn't. The case is compact enough to be pocketed when you're on the move. And of course, in a bedroom, whether at a hotel or at home, they fit perfectly into the corner of a nightstand. Audio playback overall, as I said, not really great for music, but fantastic and very clear for the sounds that are tailored in the app. And the ANC is excellent. I also really like how they just feel overall in the ear. Even after a full night of wearing them, there's no fatigue or pressure or pain from keeping the SomniPods 3 in over a long period of time. This is definitely unlike what I experienced with other in-ear earbuds. Using the SomniPods 3 has been very akin to what I experienced while using a pair of over-ear headphones over a long period of time. There's just far less pressure on my ears after a long listening session. And another rather attractive thing for me is price point. At the time of this recording, the SomniPods 3 retail for just $180 US. Most of the competitors that I was able to find are well into the $200 US range. So competitively priced, great feature set, incredible companion app with tons and tons of insight and data available to delve into, and great fit, finish, and wearability. So, as I said, if you've got sleeping problems or you're always on the move and you need something to help you block out the noise, rest easier, rest better, and just have better sleep overall, the Fitnexa SomniPods 3 might be something worth checking out for you. I'll leave a link to the SomniPods 3 down in the description below. Thank you to the team at Fitnexa for sending them over to me to test out these past couple weeks. And as always, what do you guys think? Let's have a conversation about the SomniPods 3 down in the comments below. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you want them? Or do you have something comparable that maybe this would be worth checking out as an alternative? Looking forward to hearing your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.